Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Ekalive online teaching class, children. And last class we studied about the lesson groups and maps, the continuation of this lesson. In the last class we discussed about the globe, map and the types of map. We discussed about that. In this class we are going to discuss about the components of the map, the distance, the direction and the symbols. Okay, there are three types of components of maps. They are distance, direction and symbol. The three components of the maps are distance, direction and symbol. Okay, see. What are the direction? You tell me the name of the direction. North, south, west and east. This four for the coordinate direction. I told you in the last class itself. Okay. North, south, west and east. In between these trees. How we have to call? See, this direction is north and this direction is south. This direction is west and this is east. What about this one? We have to tell, see, this in between the north and the east. So we have to tell this space as northeast and this one as southeast, in between south and east. So southeast, in between west and the north. So northwest. From south to west is southwest. Okay. There are four major directions. What are the four major directions? North, south, east and west. They are called cardinal points. Cardinal direction or cardinal points. And other four intermediate, I told you, northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. See, they are called other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of this intermediate direction. This northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are intermediate direction, because intermediate means it stress the north and the east. Here, see this north intermediate, no, this one. So you are telling northeast. So this north, this is campus. Campus, this one. This is cardinal points and this is intermediate points. This northeast, this southeast, southwest, northwest is intermediate point. This east, this north, this west and this south is cardinal points. Okay. Say distance means there is a direction. First let's see about direction. Most maps contain an arrow mark. See, I'll show you the map also. With the letter N. In the map, it will be like this. N. Like this. In maps at the upper right corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When you know the north, you can find out other direction. For example, east, west and south. Okay, if we know north direction, we can locate the west. Oh, okay, north, under that south. In this side west and that side is east. That is V, W, E, V. See, W, and E. D. That is west and east. There are major directions north, south, east and west. They are called cardinal points. They are called cardinal points. Other four intermediate direction are northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. We can locate any place accurately. We can find the direction of a place with the help of compass. This is only compass. See, this is only compass. See, north, west, east and here south. It is an instrument used to find out main direction. Main direction. It's magnetic needle. See, this one is needle. Red color here now. This one is the needle. Always point towards north and south direction only. Towards the north and south direction. See here north. See here. Shows north, no, only it shows the north in this map. Then distance. Distance. Maps or drawing which reduce the entire world area, part of it to fit on a sheet of paper. Okay, sheet of paper. Or we can say maps are drawn to reduce scale, but this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places is real. It will only be possible when small distance on paper represents a large distance on ground. Distance means the space between any two places. The place between any from here to here. This is only the distance. If here a temple, here is your house means this is from house to your temple is the distance. We normally say that the market is near our house and the school is far away from our house. Near means that we can reach a place in short time, while far away means that we need more time. We have to catch auto or bus. We have to go in that. Therefore, a scale is chosen for this purpose. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance I told you know the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometer. If you show this 10 kilometer distance by 2 centimeter on a map. See, if we are telling from school to home is 10 kilometer means in the map it will show only 2 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. Thus, scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. See, symbols. Let's see about the symbols. Symbols are shown by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures and line. Okay. For if we in the map, if we see the railway track means it will be like this. Like this. Okay. If it shows the oceans means it will be in blue color. Vegetation means green color. Mountain means brown color. Okay. And then school means it will show the school symbol. See, there is an international agreement for every full international means all the countries. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. These are called conventional symbols. See what are conventional signs? Conventional signs or symbols used on maps to represent different features. The symbols are explained in the key on the map. See this one. See, this is for post office, they will use this symbol. For police box or police station, they will use this one. For temple like this. If a church means, it will be like this. If it is mosque means, it's like this. For hotel, and this is for hospital. So see, I told you, no church. For church, they'll show this symbol. For a hospital, this one. Okay. So the conventional symbols, scale and distance. All maps have to be made smaller than the actual size of a place. I told you, know, in the map, say if that is from our home to railway station, it will take 5 minutes to 10 minutes means 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer means in the map you can see a smaller. It's a very small area only, you know, in A4 sheet or a small paper one with the map will be no. So it will be we saw no in that previous slide, if it is 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer means it will show only 2 centimeter in the map. Okay, see the actual size of a smaller than the actual size of a place. So the scale on a map shows you how big the map is in comparison to the real place. Scale on a map can be shown in the following way. See, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. In the map, it will show 1 centimeter, but actually the distance is 1 kilometer. In representative fraction, 1 is to, what is this? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, 1 lakh. See the line, how it shows. See, and scale shows the relationship between the distance on a map and the actual distance on Earth's surface. See, let's see first about the linear scale. Linear scale uses a special ruler. Ruler means scale, you know the scale, on a map to show what a distance on a map represents in the real world. 0 kilometer. Direct state scale. What is direct statement scale is uses to describe what a distance on a map represent the real world. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. 1 centimeter in the direct statement scale. Representative fraction scale is a ratio where one unit on a map represents a specific number of the same unit in the real world. See, a representative fraction scale 1 by, see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1 by lakh, that is numerator is 1 represent the map distance. This is represent the map distance. This one represent the map distance. In the map they will show only the 1 centimeter. But this denominator 1 lakh represent the ground distance. If it is 1 lakh kilometers or a distance means, in this map it shows only 1. Okay. This is next about the plan. See, we'll all have plan. See, our parents plan to construct a house. What they will first do? Okay, this area, this side, north side, the kitchen should face on the this east side. Then what will? No. We want one drawing room. We want room like this. We want this sticker. We want shelf like this. We want this one. But first, we will plan to construct in this area, this hall should be here, this restroom should be there, in this direction the kitchen should be faced in this direction, like that we will plan. No, first we will plan, then only we will construct the house. See, plan is very important. A plan is a drawing of a small area first. See, even in even I will do. See, if I want to while I'm studying sixth standard or seventh standard, I will draw. See, if I grow up, I will construct a house like this. The entrance should be like this: big portico, car shed, there the big hall, bedroom, kitchen, like that. Even I too do all this when I am studying sixth standard or seventh standard. In my imagination, like that, I will do all this. Okay, like maybe you will also draw this one. I saw in the class. Okay, a plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives lots of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of a room. See, it's a 10 into 10. If a room is 10 into 10, 10 centimeters, what? Its length is 10 and the breadth is 10 feet. 10 feet long length and 10 feet breadth. The total what feet is 10 into 10 means in the map it will show only see of a room which can't be shown in the map. We can't show in the map that 10 feet. We can't show it in the map. Okay. At that time we can refer drawings. Drawn to a scale is called plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on large scale. A large scale map gives lots of information, but there are certain things which may sometimes want to know some. For example, the length and breadth of a room which can't be shown in the map. At the time, we can refer drawings drawn to scale is called a plan. If you understand this lesson, I think. Thank you.